Hello, my name is Susie Huddleston and I'm the training ambassador with Mayflower. Today we're going to learn how to upgrade and decorate the beautiful orb. This is going to entail 3 Q260s blown up and attached, and then 1 quad. And the quads are going to need 2 pumps each. So we will just start off making the quad by putting the balloon onto the inflator valve and just filling it up with 2 pumps. 1, 2. And again, 2 pumps. 1, 2. Now I take these, wrap them twice, tie it once, and all I do is just join the 2 together, creating the simple quad collar. Now for my next trick, what we're going to need is the 160 inflated. So all I do here is just inflate this guy to the point where I have all of my air in there, but I'm going to release some air so that I can tie these 2 together. So I'm going to wait for the end so that I have a tie spot. I don't want to work too hard on that, so it should be nice and easy to grab onto. Okay, so we're almost done. All we've got to do is put these ends together, pull it. I'm going to pinch the opposite side, bring everything together, and give it a twist. Now at this point I'm going to make these loops so that they're all looking kind of like a flower or something like that, but it's just kind of flat this way because this is going to sit at the base of the balloon. And what I'm going to do now is incorporate these into the center of these loops. So I'm just going to do that. This is going to go inside. This is going to go inside. This can come down. And this comes down. So that now they're sitting in the center, as you can see. Super cute. Alright, now we're ready to attach. We're going to take our balloon. I put it upside down so that I have a nice secure object in front of me. And this is just going to run parallel with the balloon, not stem, and I'm going to take my string and tie it in. And these can be adjusted a little bit if you like. I like the balloons touching each other. I think that looks better. Now this is really cute in and of itself, there's no question about it, but something that is a great enhancer is an item called the twirls. And so these are very simple to use. You just take them out and remove this backing or this adhesive sticker on there, and then give it a relatively violent shake. They call them twirls for a reason because they resemble twirls. And then this can just be stuck right at the base in between your design. Adjusting is always necessary. It's art, after all. Anyway, isn't that cute? Well, I hope that you can utilize this design in your department to create a unique look. Thank you for joining us, and have yourself a great day.